Hi guys, how to download your best reel and then upload it to TikTok. Right, you find the reel that you want and there are three dots just there. Can you see? Just there. Okay, so you press the three dots, then it says save to camera roll. So you save it to the camera roll. Then you obviously go over to TikTok. I only did this one yesterday and it's had 2,200 views. Ah! So I've gone onto my profile and then I'm clicking that plus at the bottom. Then it will come up like that. Okay. So I want you to press the picture just there. And it says upload. So then you click on the one that you want, select, oops, so you've selected it, then you press next. Keep pressing next till, because all the words are on. Okay, so now you can put your hashtags on. So I've done a few mindset shift, 2 affiliate marketing. Oh, there it is. Yes. How many can I get 2,200 views on this as well? Let's go see, guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and hit the notification button and you'll get top tips like these because I'm learning Instagram. I'm having so much fun. Bye, guys.